Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this quick tutorial about Act CRM, Act Premium Cloud, what's now known as Act Advantage since April 15th. So I had a question from one of my customers said, how do I know what's happening in Act Premium Cloud? What updates are happening? So Act Premium Cloud is software updates on a regular basis. They can update weekly, bi-weekly, but they update the software on a regular basis. So there's actually an article that will tell you what's new. I'm going to backtrack a little bit to September 10th and tell you about the Act Cloud 25-15 update. So in this particular update, they made some changes to the history list in Act. Now, one of the things I find sort of interesting about this particular update is a lot of people don't even use the history list. They don't even know what it is inside of Act Premium Cloud or Act Advantage. Again, old habits die hard, what they now refer to as Act Advantage. I'm still going to call Act Premium Cloud. It's just the newest iteration. But in this particular release, they updated the history list. And one of the things they did is they added a preview column, and I'll show you that real quick. This is the cartoon database in my Act Premium Cloud account. And what I'm going to do is come over here to the left-hand side and click on the history list. You're going to see there's some history in here for things that have happened in this database. But over here on the right, there's Show Preview. And if I click on one of these items, now I can see what occurred with that item. It just tells me a little bit more information. If you use the history list, this is a good thing, I guess. Again, I just don't know how you use it. But again, a lot of people don't even use this area. So also, down at the bottom, when you look at the history list, there's an option to choose how many histories you want to see, only 25, 50, or 100. So that's a minor thing, but it's just a usability thing, whatever works for you. Next, if we go down a little bit, if we select multiple items, we can do a lookup. So for example, if I come here, let's say I come here, here, under the actions, I can do a few things. I can delete things, I can export these things, or I can create a lookup. If I create a lookup, it goes inside and goes to the contacts where those history items occurred, so you can see them a little more in depth. So now, let's go back to this a little bit. Again, down to the bottom, I think this is one that I like, and because before you couldn't edit the drop-down list. So when things occurred when you were scheduling an activity, it was difficult to go in and change the different activity types, like left a message or needs to speak to someone or not interested or interested, whatever it might be. To be able to edit this list is beneficial. So little things like this happen with these updates. And again, sometimes they might not matter to you at all. They're very subtle. Sometimes they're more important. Again, this update, it was update 15, and you have the ability to go see what happened with this. And I'll include a link to the page that shows you all the updates as we go along. I think an important thing for you to understand is when you look at Act, if you come over to the top right, see right here where we have the question mark? I'm going to click on that. If you click on About Act, it will tell you the version you have. And currently, we have Act Premium Cloud 25_19. So there's been a few updates since version 15 on September 10th, or approximately that date. So that's how you know which version you have, right there. Okay, my friends, I'm going to review some of these updates, and then going forward, I'll try to keep on top of this as quickly as I can to review what's new and what the updates have added. Okay, have a great one. Bye now.